Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So Abraham Maslow has given 5 needs, right? First is the physiological need, second is the safety need, third is the social need, fourth is the self-esteem need, and fifth is the self-actualization need. Okay, now physiological need, this is the basic need. For example, if you are having food, if you are having water, right? So food and shelter, right? These are the basic physiological needs. Next we are having safety needs. Safety means you are having home, right? You are having the proper job. These are the safety needs. What are the social needs? Social needs means simply you are having good friends, you are having family, children, wife. These are the social needs, right? Social connection. And next is the self-esteem. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem means here simply you desire for the achievement, right? So in self-esteem you will have some status in the society, you will have some prestige in the society, right? So self-respect, these are the self-esteem needs. Now what is self-actualization? See, self-actualization means here you will be overcoming the fear, right? So you are working voluntarily, you are working for your passion, you are working for your growth. These are the self-actualization example. Okay, now see the important thing, human being have wants and desire, right? And which influences the behavior. But important thing is that the only unsatisfied needs influences the behavior. If you are having needs which get satisfied, then the satisfied need will not change the behavior of the individual, right? So human being have wants and desire which influences the behavior. So person advances only after lower need satisfied minimally. Means what? Once you have satisfied the physiological need, then only you can demand for the safety need. Once you have the safety need like a job, you will go for the family. Once you have the family, and after that you will demand for the self-esteem, that is what self-respect, achievement. These are the means what? Simply if lower level needs are minimally satisfied, then only you can demand for the higher need. Okay, needs are arranged in order of importance. When that means basic to complex, that means the physiological need, this is what? This is the basic need, and the self actualization, this is the advanced need or the complex need, right? Next, what is the prepotency? Lower needs must be met before the higher motivation. Means what? If you are having the met with the physiological need, if you are having proper safety, then only you will be get motivated. Means what? At least 2 needs must be satisfied, safety and the physiological need, right? Then only you will get motivation. Okay, now see, what are the lower level needs? What are the lower needs? The safety and the physiological need, these two are called as the lower needs, right? So they are satisfied by the external me or external me. External me means what? Simply what are the external means? Like giving money, right? So money is the external mean. So if you are having money, you can buy the home, right? And you can have the food. So these are the needs satisfied external events, externally means. Okay, next is the higher order needs. What are the higher order needs? The social need, self-esteem need, and the self-actualization. These are called as the higher order needs. So they are satisfied internally. Means what? If you have to satisfy the higher order needs, that must be satisfied internally. Means if your own mind should be satisfied, satisfied that you are achieving the needs. Okay, now furthermore, what is the further progress? Progress means simply more individuality, humanness, and the physiological health. If you move from basic need to the advanced need, means that individual, that person will have more individuality, individual identity, humanness. He will be kinder to the other, and he will have the good physiological health. Okay, what is usefulness here? What is usefulness of this model? Simply identifying the stuck individual which are early in security and later in trauma. Means see, there may be the individual who is stuck due to the safety needs or the physiological needs, right? So for them this model is useful. So basic problem inhibit higher learning, that is for example like a cold versus learning. Okay, now why this model is being criticized? Due to the excessively individuality. See, these all needs pertain to the individual, these are not applicable to the group or the family or as an organization, right? These are applicable to individual. Okay, no altruism and poorly defined self-actualization. See, self-actualization, they are rarely and poorly defined. So these are all about the criticism, right? So no altruism, poorly defined, and the self-actualization needs are not properly defined. So this is all about the Abraham Maslow's need hierarchy theory. If you are having any doubt, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number, and we are having the application, Android application. Banker Zone CAIIB is the name of application. You can download that application from the Play Store. Thank you.